Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off autoplay in your YouTube. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open the YouTube and click on this U icon, click on settings. Here it is a autoplay. You have to turn off this and you can see when you just play any of the music like this and the music is over with you can see the next song is not playing because I have disabled the setting. When you just close this, you have to just press on this or click on this to next or repeat the songs. You can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.